I watch how the moon sits in the sky on a dark night, shining with the light from the sun. The sun doesn't give light to the moon, assuming loneliness, a little bit of disregard, handful of complaints, but I can't help the fact that everyone can see these scars. Don't wanna be an American idiot. Don't want a nation under the new media. Yeah, yeah. It's almost over now, almost over now. Yeah. It's almost over now, almost over now. You think the way you live's okay. You think posing will save your day. You think we don't see that you're running. Water, call your boys, 'cause I'm coming. You can't be me, I'm a rock star. I'm running on the top of a cop car. I'm a rebel in my 4-4 fast car. It's almost over now, almost over now. Yes, you ain't heard that we swallow God. It's too damn late to apologize. When you see the mantle, when you see the child, it's almost over now, almost over now. You think that you don't have to ever quit. You think that you can get away with it. You think the light won't be ever lit. It's almost over now, almost over now. Something on your chest, better get it off. There'll be no one left when we set it off. We ain't gonna take it no more, since it's almost over now, almost over now. You had plenty of time, there was no rush. But it was your dream to be like us. You're in dreamland, so you don't care. And as you wake, we're standing there. Can't be me, I'm a rock star. I'm running on the top of a cop car. I'm a rebel in a 4-4 pop star. It's almost over now, it's almost over now. I guess you ain't heard that we swallow guys. It's too damn late to apologize. When you see the mantle, when you see the child, it's almost over now, almost over now. Yeah.